Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage or cloud storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. Larger clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each location being a data center. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve sovereignty and typically using a pay-as-you-go model which can help in reducing capital expenses but may also lead to Unix-based operating expenses for our user. Value proportion. Advocates of public and hybrid cloud claim that cloud computing allows companies to avoid or minimize upfront IT infrastructure costs. Proponents also claim that cloud computing allows enterprises to get their application up and running faster, with improved manageability and less maintenance, and that it enables IT teams to more rapidly adjust resources to meet fluctuating and unpredictable demand, providing push computing capability, high computing power at certain periods of peak demand. Market. According to the IDC, the global spending on cloud computing service has raised and expected to rise, while Gartner estimates that the global public cloud service and user spending forecast to reach billion by us per McKinsey and Company report. Cost optimization refers and value-oriented business uses foresees more than 1 trillion in run rate EBITDA across Fortune companies as Evergrande and more than 1 trillion in enterprise IT spending is at stake from the shift to cloud, growing to almost 1 trillion according to Gartner. History. The term cloud was used to refer to platform for distributed computing as early when Apple spin-off General Magic and IT&T used it in describing their earlier TeleScript and versioning technologies. In late April, Creator built an Andy's excellent Adventure Isle. Andy held files command on TeleScript, General Magic's distributed programming language. The beauty of TeleScript is that now, instead of just having a device to program, we now have the entire code out there where a single program can go and travel to many different sources of information and create a sort of a virtual service. No one had conceived that before. The example Jim White, the designer of TeleScript, used now is a data ranging service where a software agent goes to the flower store and order flowers and then goes to the ticket shop and gets the ticket for the show, and everything is communicated to both parties. Early history. The initial concept of time sharing became popularized via RGI, remote job entry. This terminology was mostly associated with larger vendors such as IBM and TIC. Full-time sharing solutions were available by the early on such platforms as Multics or on TI hardware, Cambridge GTCS, and the earliest Unix port or on TIC hardware. Yet the data center model where users submit jobs to operators to run on IBM's mainframes was overwhelmingly predominant. Telecommunication companies who previously offered primarily dedicated point-to-point data circuit began offering virtual private network or VPN service with comparable quality of service, but at a lower cost by switching traffic as they saw fit to balance server use. Overall network bandwidth more effectively, they began to use the code symbol to denote the demarcation point between what the provider was responsible for and